Hello everybody. Was able to get a couple trades off today before I went into the office. If you watch my first video, you know I'm just a part-time trader. Have a full-time job, so here on the West Coast I'll try to squeeze in a trade or two, and if I can I'll let them run for the day and hopefully make some money. So today had two trades. One was a loser, one was a winner. When all was said and done, I was up about 85 bucks, so nothing special. But hopefully folks can learn from this. That's what this trading is all about. You learn from everything that you do, and hopefully don't make the same mistakes twice. So the first one I was watching was HTLD, Heartland Express, and I've watched the videos on YouTube from Great Stock Picks. If you search for Great Stock Picks with picks spelled P-I-X, you can watch their videos, and they're quite educational, and seems like some great techniques that they use. So I was on 5-minute bars here, several down bars in a row, and finally a green bar showed up, which can signal a turnaround. And I was looking for a break of this. It was a high of $16.99, so I was looking for a break of that, and I picked up 1,000 shares at 17 even. It's not a big moving stock, as you can see from the prior day. It went from 16.83 up to 17.20. So just a 40-cent range on it, and looking at that, I recognized that, you know, there wasn't a great chance of this thing really taking off for me. I should have just taken this quick scalp for $100 on that 1,000 shares. Instead, I let it turn around on me, and it stopped me out at $16.95. The market opened dead flat today. It was, you know, even on the open. It was up for a few minutes, it was down for a few minutes, it was back up, and then finally mid-morning it dropped off. And dropped off hard. It was down over 200 points today if you weren't watching the market. So a big move downwards. So lost $50 on this one plus commissions, so a loss of 70. The other one I was watching was a housing stock, and on the E-Trade platform that I use, I have 10 charts that run on one screen, and within each of those charts I'll have a stock from various sectors. And just pay attention to which ones are doing what along with the market. And if you see one housing stock drop off, chances are the others are going to do the same. So I had Toll Brothers running on one of those charts, and it had peeled off nicely. So I quickly went through several other housing stocks, and they had all started to follow as well. And Ryland was the one that was holding up. But I recognized as well that at that time it was hitting this level of support right here, and hadn't yet broke through it. So right on this longer candle here is where I had shorted at 1995, and it quickly dropped off. So this little wick down here hit 1940. I had moved my stop down once I'd put the trade in, and it had dropped off. I had to take off, so I put it down at the 1959 level. And unfortunately it clipped me there and took me out of this trade, because you'll see it came back up here on this bar. It went up to 1985, and I was still in the money on that bar, and then it dropped off along with the market for the rest of the day. So you know, it wasn't too bad a trade. I made 35 cents on the 500 shares that I had. Looking back, I wish I had picked up 1,500 shares on this. I only took 500 on the short just because I'd lost a few bucks in the first one. Wanted to get conservative because, again, I didn't know what the market was going to do, so I was just kind of playing it safe. But like I said at the beginning, hindsight's always 20/20 in trading. So looking back, this could have been just like the trade I showed you on my previous video. Could have been $1 a share, because it did drop off finally to 18.86, and again I had shorted it up here at 19.95. So wishing I had let that one run out. So I hope you find this educational. I hope you enjoy these videos. If other traders watch, I'd love to get your comments, hear your advice, so feel free to post some comments, rate the videos, and I'll try to bring you some more in the future, and hopefully more winners than losers. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.